Hey there! Is your iPhone's Panorama mode acting up, or are you not quite sure how to use it? No need to stress, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through the easy steps to capture breathtaking panorama photos with your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Open the camera app. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. Then swipe left on the screen until you find the Pano mode. Solution 2. Set up the panorama. Now hold your iPhone. After that, tap the shutter button to kick off the panorama shot. Next, slowly move your iPhone from left to right or right to left in a straight line. Make sure to follow the on-screen guide to keep the arrow aligned on the line. Solution 3. Complete the panorama. Once you have captured everything you want in the scene, tap the shutter button again to finish up. Your stunning panorama picture will then be saved to your Photos app. And there you have it! That's how simple it is to take amazing panorama pictures with your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and happy snapping!